All right, guys and girls, thanks for coming here to Wix is for Kids. I know it kind of to play on tricks are for kids, but you know, Wix is singular, so there we go. All right, anyway, you guys should have already selected your pairs now. You should have two students sitting at a Dell. And what you're going to do when you're done looking at this is you're going to log on to www.wix.com, which is this cool little website right here. And what you're going to do there is you're going to log in using the username, which is bcsmedia at birmingham.k12.mi.us. And the password, good old Covington, and the number 1. So I'll click back over here to Wix. The login is right here, and it'll bring you to this little area here. You're going to type in bcsmedia at birmingham.k12.mi.us. And hitting your tab key, COVINGTON, and again the number 1. It is not case sensitive. I guess I can remember this on this computer. Log in, and it's going to bring you to this handy dandy little screen here. Oh well, yeah. All right. I want you to click on home though, even though it brings you to the handy dandy little screen. All right. Then going back over here to Moodle. You're going to watch the 2-minute demo video, and then I want you to note that there are multiple categories that you can choose from. I believe they're on the left-hand pane, but I created a sample, so I'm not sure if they're still there. But I want you to discover the categories, and then what I'd like you to do is to find and then list to this forum 2 samples of each category. So let's go back over here, and so for example, here is photographers. But I'm looking for, help me. How about if we explore? Yes, explore is where I want you to go. And you'll notice the categories over here in explore. So for example, let's pick photography. Okay, so what you'll need to do, you can either go through the list down here, or you can come over here, and I'd like you to find for me 2 that you think would work, that they list as working for that particular type of design. So this one is called, I have no clue what it's called, I just clicked on it. It is called, if you hold over, it should pop up for us. Why are you not popping up? Oh yeah, maybe a little thing at view at the but that's still just doing that. All right, any rate, so you got this one. This one is Wix.com timjackson/jim.sales. Okay, so that's the one that you would list there. And you basically can just copy and paste that. So if you get that URL, copy it, close here, come back over to Wix, or excuse me, to Moodle, add your discussion, and I'm going to partner with Mr. Brown. So it'll be Mr. Brown and Mr. McLeod. And then I'm going to come down here and list number 1, photography, bless you. And then I'm just going to cut and paste that first URL. And then I have another photography, number 2. You need 2 of those. So you need 2 for each category that is listed there. What I want you guys to do is, this is my way of forcing you to go through and to see the different types of categories and things that are offered here. Once you're done with that, what you're going to do then, going back over here, is you're going to select a theme from the samples. Using the edit feature, I want you to recreate the site that you previously did in iWeb. So you guys already have the content. So basically, I just want you to have fun and explore, what you're going to do. That, again, should include number 8 here, content pages, pictures, YouTube video, about me pages. Make sure that they're pics of the person, not pics of stuff. And then what I want you to do is find a feature that you think is unique in Wix and then use it. So, again, let's go back over here. Let's say that we select this one. And there we go. And I want to, come on, transfer. It's down here. It's taking a long time. The web is a little slow. Come on, web. Come on, boo-boo. You're going to do it. You're going to make it. You're going to make it. Okay, so the web is going slowly. So we will sit here and go ooh and ah at the nice little latest news. Tank now open. AD. It is really taking a long time. Okay, hopefully when you guys are doing this, it won't take this long. Let me refresh and see if that helps us out any. And yes, no. All right. So then why don't I select a different one? Let's try the one we had. Was that this one that kept coming up? Yeah, that one seems to load quickly. So it may just be that Still transferring. Still transferring.
What do you mean by transferring?
See down here, which is transferring data from the frog.wix. That means that it's uploading that so that we can get to the information we need. And I don't see my edit button here. Does anybody see my edit button?
No.
I don't either.
I'm not sure you're allowed to edit it.
You are allowed to edit it. Is this the one that they did that we go in? We may have gone into one of theirs. So let's go back. Oh, you know what? So let's do this. That was cool. So let's go to create. And we'll do our own. So let's say we pick custom fashion. That was really good. Was that Jack Jordan that figured that out?
Gloria.
Oh, way to go, Gloria. All right. So then we're going to hit the edit button. Yay for the edit button. And it's going to load for us. It's loading. It's loading. Wixer for kids. Yay. All right, and then it's going to tell you really what you want to do is to click, then you make the change, you customize, and you're set. But you can watch that. There is, again, a 2-minute video right here if you'd like to watch what to do. All right, so what we're going to do is we've clicked on our edit page, and you'll notice that the page manager is over here to the right. There are also widgets or features over here, so text, pics, pictures, galleries, different things, music and video. You can kind of explore those things. You do not need to use e-commerce. We're not selling anything. Okay, you can change backgrounds either for the site or the master page, and then any files that you may need to use or upload, you can use there. Yes, Samantha with the question. For those of you not here, Sam is asking a question. Yes?
Well, our PowerPoint, or what's it called, our webs are on
The Mac. I know. What I want you to do, though, is start here. You're correct. Your information and content are on the Macs. What I'd like you to do is to start here with just recreating the shell of the page. Part of your time is going to be used going through and selecting those 2 items for each category. Then you also need time to watch the demos and then to experiment with this before you start putting content in.
So it doesn't matter if we don't get any of the actual content?
You'll have 2 days to do this.
Okay.
Okay? All right. And then when you're done with that, you're going to save. So let's say that I did something and save it. And you're going to put your name. So this is E2 for the class, E1 for the class that I'm looking at now, underscore, and this is going to be Brown underscore McLeod. Okay, so make sure that you save it with your engage section and then the names of both people. What I'd like you guys to do, of course, is use your first initial. So we'll make that M Brown and R McLeod. All right. And hopefully you'll have fun with this. Wix should be a really cool program, and we'll make sure that you guys get some other options that you can do. All right, have fun.